With concerns rising over the global spread of COVID-19’s super-contagious Delta variant, we're seeing officials in South Korea take measures to keep a lid on this renewed threat.
By now, you may well have seen warnings from health experts.
The Delta variant's not just the most transmissible COVID-19 strain we're aware of, but also potentially more threatening in terms of hospitalization risk. First identified in India late last year, it's now been seen in over 90 countries, though only a very small percentage of South Korea's relatively modest ongoing outbreaks have actually involved the Delta variant, reaching 263 infections total as of June 28th, even if this strain has been springing up in more parts of the country.
Health officials here have been tracking Delta variant infection routes.
Korea Disease Control and Prevention Agency Commissioner Jung Eun-kyung said the Delta variant is still in the early stage of inflow in this country. The authorities have been trying to block that inflow by, for example, imposing a 7-day quarantine period for arrivals from India before they then go on to self-quarantine depending on test results. It's not just India though. They've listed 21 nations so far that aren't exempt from this summer's start of quarantine-free travel to the south for vaccinated arrivals. Quarantine rules will also remain for travellers from Indonesia, the Philippines and South Africa, among others. The UK has been left off the list despite leading global Delta variant cases, with the health authorities here citing its advanced vaccine status. It was interesting to see London's Wembley Stadium filled with football fans not wearing masks during the ongoing Euro 2020 competition.
That kind of thing just seems unimaginable here for now.
Certainly, we'll be watching very closely to see how the UK's vaccinated population stands up to the Delta variant, not just because of travel policies, but to weigh up our own population's risks. South Korea's racing to vaccinate 36 million people from the country's total population of just over 51 million, with hopes of achieving herd immunity by November and hopefully earlier. Right now, we may be vulnerable because well under half the population's received their first COVID-19 vaccine shot, and many of them are in their 20s to 50s. But with a clear public desire for normality as soon as possible, and social distancing rules being eased, we are bound to be tested domestically this summer, with or without the Delta variant. Of course, the country has kept spikes under control before, and we do have tried and trusted tech and transparency on our side.